my friends. Wow, you're shining very brightly today. Do you know how I can see you shine? I'll tell you my secret. It's because I've trained my brain to notice good things. Every day, I train my brain to think about things I feel happy about, no matter where I am or what might be happening around me. When you train your brain to be happy, you can see the good in any situation. You can train your brain to like cleaning your room when you think about how good it feels to be responsible. You can even train your brain to enjoy doing your homework if you think about how happy you'll feel when you get good grades. You can train your brain to work hard, stay focused, and be positive about anything. I can't wait to see all the amazing things you're going to train your brain to do. Goodbye, my friends. Have a bright day.